unveiling the Industrial Revolution, more than just steam. Did you know that the Industrial Revolution wasn't just about factories and steam engines? It was a complex, transformative era with surprising twists and a dark underbelly. Let's dive into the fascinating, and sometimes unsettling, story of this pivotal period. The Industrial Revolution wasn't a single invention, but a symphony of innovations. It was a period of unprecedented technological advancement that reshaped society in profound ways. The spinning jenny, invented by James Hargreaves, revolutionized textile production. It allowed a single worker to spin multiple threads simultaneously, dramatically increasing efficiency. The power loom further accelerated the process, leading to a massive increase in cloth production. This drove down prices, making textiles accessible to the masses and fueling consumerism. Rapid industrialization came at a significant cost. The pursuit of progress often overshadowed the human suffering it caused. Child labor was rampant, with children as young as 6 working long hours in dangerous conditions. They toiled in coal mines and factories, enduring harsh treatment and risking their lives. Life expectancy plummeted in industrial cities due to poor sanitation, overcrowding, and the spread of disease. The promise of a better life often turned into a struggle for survival. The Industrial Revolution presents a stark contrast between progress and suffering. It forces us to confront the ethical implications of technological advancement. During the Industrial Revolution, various movements emerged to address social and economic inequalities. Labor unions and workers' rights movements fought for better wages, reasonable hours, and safer conditions, while the Luddites resisted mechanization that threatened skilled jobs. Chartism pushed for political reforms, including voting rights for the working class, and socialism, influenced by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, critiqued capitalism and advocated for worker control over production. The factory reform movement sought child labor laws and improved workplace conditions, while public health and sanitation efforts aimed to combat disease in overcrowded cities. The abolitionist movement gained momentum, leading to the end of slavery in Britain 1833 and the US 1865. Meanwhile, the women's rights movement began advocating for suffrage, property rights, and fair working conditions. These movements collectively laid the foundation for modern labor laws, social justice, and public welfare reforms. The Industrial Revolution created a new social class, the middle class. This group comprised factory owners, managers, and skilled workers. They enjoyed a higher standard of living and greater social mobility than ever before. This new class became a driving force in shaping new social norms. The middle class advocated for reforms and influenced political landscapes. They played a crucial role in shaping the social and political landscape of the era. Their increasing wealth led to greater consumer demand, stimulating further production and market expansion. As business owners and managers, they shaped workplace practices, often prioritizing efficiency and profit, sometimes at the expense of workers' conditions. Politically, the middle class pushed for reforms such as expanded voting rights and liberal economic policies like free trade. They also contributed to urban development by improving infrastructure and supported education as a path to upward mobility, leading to the professionalization of careers in law, medicine, and engineering. While they benefited from industrialization, they also played a role in advocating for labor protections and public health reforms, helping to shape modern social policies. The telegraph revolutionized communication, enabling near-instantaneous transmission of messages across vast distances. This innovation transformed business, politics, and personal relationships. The railroad shrunk the world, facilitating trade, travel, and the spread of information. It connected distant communities and accelerated the pace of life. These advancements altered the pace of life and connected people in unprecedented ways. They laid the groundwork for the modern, interconnected world we live in today. The Industrial Revolution was a continuous process of innovation. New ideas and technologies constantly emerged, driving further progress. The factory system was a groundbreaking concept, bringing workers and machines together under one roof. This centralized production model revolutionized manufacturing. Interchangeable parts paved the way for mass production, leading to the consumer society we know today. This innovation transformed the way goods were produced and consumed. The factory system was a key feature of the Industrial Revolution, transforming production from small-scale, home-based work to large-scale, mechanized manufacturing. Factories centralized labor and machinery under one roof, allowing for mass production of goods at a faster rate and lower cost. Workers operated machines that replaced traditional handcrafting methods, leading to increased efficiency but often harsh working conditions. Laborers, including men, women, and children, worked long hours, typically 12 to 16 hours a day, for low wages in dangerous environments with little regulation. Factory owners prioritized productivity and profit, enforcing strict discipline and repetitive tasks to maximize output. The system relied on innovations like the steam engine and assembly line production, which revolutionized industries such as textiles, iron, and steel. While it led to economic growth and technological advancement, it also created social challenges, prompting labor movements and workplace reforms in the 19th and 20th centuries. The Industrial Revolution wasn't confined to Britain. It spread across Europe, North America, and eventually the world. It transformed economies, societies, and even the environment on a global scale. Its impact continues to be felt today. The Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for modern capitalism and globalization. It shaped the world we live in today in profound ways. The technological advancements of the era continue to shape our lives. From transportation to communication, we are still living in the shadow of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a pivotal period in human history. It was a testament to human ingenuity, but also a reminder of the complex consequences of progress. It serves as a reminder that progress must be balanced with ethical considerations and a commitment to social justice. The lessons of the Industrial Revolution are still relevant today. So, what do you think? Was the Industrial Revolution a net positive for humanity, or did its dark side outweigh the benefits? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about history's most transformative periods, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Share this video with your friends and family who are also history enthusiasts. And for further reading, don't forget to subscribe to Neurofacts on YouTube as well as check out our TikTok page to explore related articles and resources. Your support helps us create more educational content. Thanks for watching.